What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, and in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to install the RTR Corner Grill for your 2024 Mustang GT.
Inside your box you'll find your RTR Corner Grilles and installation QR code. Tools for this installation are 7mm socket, 10mm socket, extension, wrench, body clip removal tools, and hooked pick. For this install, I'll be working on a non-performance pack vehicle. However, I will show some of the steps for those working with performance pack vehicles. I will also be showing you how to remove the bumper if you are only installing the grill or don't have a padded workspace. If you're installing the full front conversion setup, it would be best to fully remove the belly pan. Regardless of which route you choose, please read the instructions in their entirety before starting any install. We're back at the lab this week, so I'm going to be taking advantage of our 2-post coats lifts, as well as our full supply of gear wrench tools to get this job done. Start off by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. With the vehicle safely supported on a lift or jack stands, remove the front wheels and tires. Using a 7mm socket, remove these 6 screws in the debris shield. Then pry the 2 center posts out of the 2 plastic rivets and remove them. Remove the 4 large plastic rivets from both of the front fender liners. For performance pack cars, remove the 4 large plastic rivets from both the front fender liners. Then remove the 2 small rivets in the brake cooling ducts. You can then remove the single plastic rivet in the cooling duct inlets to the lower grille and remove them from the vehicle. With the fender liner pulled back, locate and disconnect the side marker lights inside the bumper cover. Then locate and disconnect the bumper wiring harness on the driver's side of the car attached to the crash pad. In this pocket behind the headlights, you'll find 2 bolts securing the bumper corners. Using a 10mm socket, remove these 2 bolts and repeat this step on the opposite side of the vehicle. After applying a little painter's tape, using a panel clip removal tool or equivalent, pry the fir tree anchors out from the fenders. Next, remove the 8 plastic rivets in the core support cover and remove the cover from the vehicle. I used a hook pick since some areas are too recessed for a panel removal tool to fit into. Using a 7mm socket, remove the 5 screws along the upper bumper cover. Carefully remove the weather strip foam from the cleat in the core support on both sides of the vehicle. With this complete, lift the bumper cover up and over the core support posts and remove the cover from the vehicle. Remove the 4 screws securing the cooling duct to the corner grille using a 7mm socket. For performance pack vehicles, remove the 4 screws securing the cooling duct to the corner grille on the driver's side. Depress the tab on the retainer clip and remove it from the bumper cover. You can now apply light pressure to remove the OEM corner grilles from the bumper cover. With some vehicles, you may need to depress the cover tabs. Carefully align the cover tabs with the grill slots and install the RTR corner grill. Apply firm pressure around each tab until a distinct click can be heard, indicating full engagement. Reinstall the retainer clip into the bumper cover. And using a 7mm socket and the OEM screws, reinstall the air duct if so equipped. Otherwise, you can install the OEM corner grill block-off plates. Tighten the screws by hand to avoid over-tightening. Lift the bumper cover up using the location pins on the core support. Reconnect the bumper wiring harness, as well as the side marker lights. Then press the fir tree anchor and guide pins into the fender, making sure to align the bumper properly under the headlights. You can now reinstall all mounting hardware removed during installation for the bumper, fender wells, and belly pan, as well as reconnect the negative battery terminal. This job is now complete and it's time to hit the streets.
Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you like this product, you're sure to love all the other offerings that we have available on rtrvehicles.com. Make sure to go ahead and click that link down in the description below or scan the QR code that came with your product. That'll lead you to rtrvehicles.com, where you can check out all the other stuff that we have available for S650, S550, S197, as well as Bronco, Bronco Sport, Ranger, F-150, Maverick, and Mach-E. And we're not only there to hook you up with stuff for your vehicle, we're there to hook you up for stuff for yourself. Go ahead and check out some of our merch available there on the website, and you know what? Might as well make your car look good while you're at it by picking up some of the RTR detail product. Thank you again for checking out this video, and as always, I'm Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, getting you geared up and ready to rock. Whoa!